Hi, and welcome to the WHM tutorial for editing the DNS of any of the domains on the WHM accounts. So you've get a request from a user, or you've gotten instructions for a provider of a script or a third-party service for one of your domains, and they want you to edit your DNS settings for that domain. You can do that here in your WHM with very little issue at all. Now, as you can see from the quick search, we typed in DNS, and all DNS options come up. Now, you can click the main one here that says DNS functions, and what that'll do will carry you to a page that lists all of these again. But we already know we want to edit a DNS zone, so we click it. We choose the zone we want to edit, which means which domain that we want to make DNS edits for. You choose edit. And here's all the current DNS settings for this domain that's on the server. RFTP, www, localhost. Most of the time you'll not be touching any of these. You'll actually be adding a new one. And I would say 99.9% of the time you'll have specific instructions from the provider on what to edit. And here's where you would add the new ones. Say we were going to use a service from one of the marketing third-party service providers out there, and they told us that we're going to need an entry for let's say lists.yourdomain.com, and then they will tell you if it needs to be an A record or CNAME record or even a text record. So we'll say a CNAME, and then they'll give you a host name here, and that would be whatever information they give you. Now with an A record, it's usually either an IP or a host name. So you would enter that information in, and you would hit save. It would carry you to the next page, which would be a success page. And now you've edited your DNS for the domain, and you've added whatever information that you were provided with to add. And that's simply just how you edit the DNS of any of the domains that's currently hosted on your server.